Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 9 of exercise 8.3. Question number 9 says find the amount which Ram will get on rupees 4096 if he gave it for rupees 18 months at 12.5% per annum, interest being compounded half yearly. Whenever I see these words, I will directly take this formula and proceed. So what the question says? It says that Ram, one guy, we are supposed to find the amount which this guy Ram had invested to or given someone else for 18-month period and at the rate of 12.5%, and the principal is rupees 4096. Students, here it is P. This is P. This is T. If you see T carefully, here they have given 18 months, which is nothing but 1.5 year, because in 1 year 12 months and 6 months, so it will be 18 months. And rate of interest is 12 month by 2. Now we are supposed to find amount that is this. So let us write principal is equal to rupees 4096, rate of interest is 12 1 by 2%. Students, in many children's book there will be 12%. Please correct it. It is 12.5%. If you are taking 12%, the amount will be complicated. So please take 12.5%, which implies the rate of interest will be 12 to the 24 plus 1, 25 divided by 2%. And T, which I will take 2 times T. So 2T will be 2 into 1.5, which is equal to 3 years. Putting it into formula, therefore A is equal to P, which is 4096, into bracket 1 plus R is 25 divided by 2 whole divided by 2 into 100 of formula into bracket 3 raised to power 3. Now denominator of denominator will be multiplied. So in next step 2 will come down and it will multiply with the denominator 2. 25 will remain as it is. These 2 will multiply, so it will become 4 into 100 all raised to power 3. Now 25 1 is 25 and 25 4 is 100. So we will get our amount as A is equal to 4096 multiply by 1 plus 1 by 4 4 16. Now I will take LCM over here. LCM is 16. Here it is nothing in denominator. So our LCM will be 16 1 16 plus 1 17 whole raised to power 3. Calculating it further, A is equal to 4096 into bracket, because it is 3 times, so I will take 17 divided by 16 multiply by 17 divided by 16 multiply by 17 divided by 16. Students, if you know cube of 16, you will get 4096. So I am getting cube 16, 16 and 16. 16 into 16 into 16. This will be cancelled out with 4096, because cube of 16 is 4096. Therefore, amount will be A is equal to 17 into 17 into 17. And the cube of 17 is 4913, which is our amount. Please be sure by calculating this amount on your own. This is our answer. The amount which Ram will get on 4096 will be 4913. The amount therefore the amount which Ram will get after 18 months is rupees 4913. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand it properly. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.